HVAC people! Alright, HVAC people, so on this next call here, I'm going to go and replace a blower motor. I came here Sunday and the unit was all iced up because the people kept the unit, they just lowered the thermostat. So it's a big block of ice on my So I came here Sunday and the unit was all iced up. The lady lowered the temperature on the thermostat to like 65 degrees, and she said still would not cool, but it was a big block of ice on my compressor and the suction line and the evaporator coil. So today is Monday. I want to pick up a blower motor because I did get the diagnostics though, and the blower motor would not turn on. It's an ECM motor. So I'm back here to replace it. So hopefully I can get some footage, and always, thanks for watching. And I stay on my grind, 'cause that come first. All right, folks, so we're gonna do an unboxing of a DeWalt light. Hey, I got this for y'all, because I can see I got a good headlight from Milwaukee, but I want y'all to be able to see, because I care about my viewers. So, we're gonna bring this DeWalt 12 volt max, 20 volt max lithium lights so we can see. So this is the official unboxing. Let's see what we got here. I want y'all to be able to see. Uh-oh. Bam. That's what we got right there. And I come with a battery, but we got plenty of batteries. We got plenty of batteries, folks. Oh no. There we go. Bam. Okay. All right, we're gonna see what it look like in the attic, folks. Gonna get ready to change the blower motor out. But that right there is your DeWalt. There we go. 20 volt max. DeWalt 20 volt max light. That's your DeWalt 20 volt max light. We're gonna see what kind of light. DeWalt. Smoke alarm going off. I'll probably just put the music in the background or something like that. So like I said, they're redoing floors, so sorry about that. Folks, so that's pretty much the way I left it. Like I said, came out here Sunday and diagnosed it. Should be calling for it, but the motor won't do anything. Kind of warm, like I say, oh, this is a big block of ice. Like I said, they're doing flooring down there, so no, probably won't be a good video. I'll probably just put some music in the background and do a little time lapse of me working. But I want to show you kind of like a diagnosis of it. But so we got 120 going to it, but it won't turn on at all. Show you me jumping it out. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on red and green. See, when I do this, should click on right away. light. Well, a nice light right there. I got a small one that I do not like, the handheld one. I paid almost $100 for. I wish I would have went on and got this one the first time. You know, I need some light up here. I'm about to say it's a little bit too bright. I'm gonna try to dim it. Okay, that's high setting. Hit it again. I guess that's medium, low. I'm okay with low. That bright setting the blind, yeah, D-walk. All right. So let's see what kind of. We can do some quick troubleshooting real quick. It's already diagnosed. It's too hot up here to be playing with it. So I'm gonna pull this plug right here just to show you. Next, so I'm gonna go to ground to L1. All right. You can see the meter. So I got from ground to L1. I'm gonna hit the button right here. Not where you can see, but we got 120 going to it. But the motor here. It's the same exact OEM motor, folks. All right. And it has been programmed. Heavy motor too. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go find a furnace switch and I'm gonna kill the power to it. normally red, yellow, blue, and black. Number 5 is empty. Five is empty. I'm gonna turn it on. Should be happy, because I know the flooring guys probably like, man, the day we got to do the floors, the day we don't have any AC. And we quoted this job months ago. But shout out to WW HVAC in Washington AC and Heating. We got them up and going, folks. So I'm gonna go ahead and call for cool at the thermostat. Just make sure everything look good. Put me some wire scraps on my put some wire scraps, clean it up a little bit. And I got to do an install today, condenser and evaporator coil for one of my neighbors. So that's what I'll be doing after this. But I'm gonna go have lunch, collect payment for this job, and go have some lunch. One bites the dust. Do you wash these things? AC and heating? Willie, you the barker. Willie like the bar. Why you not barking? What's your name again?
That's Henry.
Henry.
There you go. Give me
okay. Henry and Willie. Oh, no, sorry.
There you go.
Yeah, Henry and Willie. Henry, you ain't barking? Sit. Good boy. That's a good boy. You's a good boy, yeah. You's a good boy. What about you, Willie? You want one too, Willie? Come here, Willie. Come here, Willie. Come here. Oh, what you running for? Come on, sit, Willie, sit. Good boy. There you go. There you go. That's a good boy. That's a good boy, Willie. That's a good boy. Oh, you so well behaved, ain't ya? Okay.
He's the thinker and the other one's the...
Right.
Yeah, my dog. I didn't make that out so anything so you have to.
Okay, well, I'll just put watch the next thing.
Well, whatever.
Okay. All right. Thank y'all. Have a good one. I'll move on to the next one.
Thank you.
The shift start cooling down here. Okay, all right.
All right, no problem. All right.
Thank you.
All right.